Hello, good morning, students. So, today in this lecture, we are going to study about the rules for naming, IUPAC naming for aliphatic compounds. So, for naming, we follow this rule 2 degree prefix plus 1 degree prefix plus word root plus 1 degree space plus 2 degree space. So this is actually the sequence to write the IUPAC name of any compound. What we see one by one, which are the common rules. First is selection of chain. So in the selection of chain, we choose the main chain or root chain. So that may be longest or may not be longest. In case of branched chain, always select the longest, may or may not. What chain should be continuous. Okay, so this is the first example. So in the selection of this chain, how we can write, how we can select the chain. This is without branching, and without branching the longest chain is actually the main chain. So this one is the longest as well as main chain. In second, there is a branching from third carbon, so we can take the longest chain is the main chain, this one, when all carbons are showing the single bond linkage with the other carbons. Then the main chain is the longest one. But in this case, when the 1 degree fixed double bond or any triple bond is present with carbon, so chain is selected with the preference in which the double or triple bond is coming. So in this case, the chain is this one, but that is not longest one. This one is the longest one chain, but we are selecting this chain because that including the double bond in the main chain. So in this case, again, first we give the preference of double bond in the selection of chain, and then we see after it which one is the longest part in the chain can be. So that can be longest part and that can be the longest part. So I am taking for convenience this part is the longest part. Okay, now after the chain, the groups outside left, that we say side substituents or small side chains. This is the side substituents, that is propyl group, this one is methyl, and this is the side substituent ethyl group, and this one is methyl substituents. Second is the lowest locant rule. Locant means position and lowest number to the substituents. When we are going to give the numbering of a main chain, so which way is the right to give the numbering, from left to right or right to left? So numbering the chain in such a way so as to give lowest number to the substituents. So in this chain, first we apply the rule selection of chain. So this is the chain in the selection of chain. 1 minute. So in this, the selection of chain, we can take, this is the main chain as well as longest chain. So this is the side substituents. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is the lowest position from this side. 1 2 3 4, this is a not a lowest position, so we give the numbering from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6. In second example, first of all we have to choose the longest chain. So this can be the longest chain as well as the main chain. So these are the substituents. So when we are giving the numbering from right to left or left to right, these positions are equivalent 2 or 3. So we can take any numbering position, we can give the numbering from any side. So I am giving the numbering from this side left to right. So position of the substituent is now 2 3, and if you are giving the numbering from right to left, then the position is also 2 and 3, both are equivalent. In this case, first of all, we are going to choose the main chain. So this can be the main chain or root chain, and these are the substituents. So substituent position should be lowest one. So 1 2 2 2. From left to right, if we are doing the numbering, then 2 2 4 5, that is 5. And when we are giving the numbering from right to left, 1 2 and 3 4 4. So you can check here, if the first numbering is equal, then you can proceed for the next one, that is which one is lowest, this one. And 5 2 8 10. Otherwise you can see the sum rule, that is sum of the positions is 9, and in this case the sum of the position is 10. So again the lowest sum rule is saying this one is the correct numbering. So we are giving the numbering from left to right, 1 2 3 4 5. So you can give the numbering of these compounds also after the selection of chain. Next rule we have to follow. Before next rule, we have some points related to this one. Second rule, while writing the name of substituents, word root suffix following points should be considered. Write the number, position, and then the name of the substituents. So we have to give the numbering of the substituent also in the naming. So like this one is the third position of this methyl group is a prefix. Count the number of carbon atoms. Here in given example it is 7. Do not count constituent carbon atom in the main chain. So we have no need to count the total number of carbon atom in this case of substituents. Only the carbon atom we have to count of main chain, and we use to write the word root. Find out if any functional group is there or not. In the given example, no functional group is present. Hence, we use the suffix "ane" only. So, this is the example is given. So, single bond linkage, the 1 degree suffix is "ane." Lowest sum rule. Already told you in the second rule. If two or more substituents are present, then numbering is done in such a way that the sum of the number of carbon atoms carrying side chain and substituents should be minimum. So from left to right, if we give the numbering, this one is the lowest position, okay, and from right to left the numbering, the position is 3 5. So after the sum, this one is the lowest sum rule, and lowest sum position, so we have to give the numbering from left to right. UPC name is given 2,4-dimethyl with the lowest position. This is the word root hex, and this is the suffix only A. After combining 2,4-dimethyl heptane. So after following two rules or three rules, then we follow the last rule alphabetically. Second last rule, alphabetical order or rule. If two different substituents are present, then numbering is done according to lowest sum rule. Naming is done alphabetically. Example is this one. So C for chloro and M for methyl. So in the naming, after selection and numbering, we give the numbering from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2-chloro is alphabetically, C is coming first, then M. So write the 2-chloro 3-methyl, these are the two side substituents, okay, then word root, then 1 degree suffix. So similar this example you can take alphabetically, E will come first as then M. For reference to the function group, if the function group is coming in the main chain also, then function group is preferred for numbering even if the lowest sum is violated. So this one saying like when you are giving the numbering from this side, okay, so lowest numbering rule is saying 4 and 5 from right to left. When you are giving numbering from this one 1 2 3, so this is 3 plus 4. Positions are same. What is saying the longest others lowest preference rule can be violated, some rule can be violated, but you have to give the preference of 2 degrees fix firstly, then 1 degree 2 degree prefix. So preference of 2 degrees fix is firstly we have to see, then in the lowest position, then the 2 degree prefix. So this is again the name, you can check each one. 2 degree prefix 4 methyl, word root is hept here in this case 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 degree fix single bond linkage, and 2 degree fix is position of this one 3 ol, main functional group. In this example is also given, so include the carbon of the function group in the chain. Okay, so this one is a chain, so give the numbering of this one is firstly, that is 2 degrees fix 1 2 3 4 5. So in this the lowest sum rule is boil eating, but you have to give the preference of 2 degrees fix as compared to 2 degree prefix. So this is the exact numbering. So after the preference we have some points, important points. First is functional groups having carbon are included in the chain, like some of the function group aldehyde, carboxylic, ketone, okay, ester. So these carbon also we have to include in the numbering. Don't miss this carbon and give the first number to this carbon. Okay, 1 2 3. If the function group is at first position, we may or may not write 1, like in this condition, that is the position of alcohol 1 ol, so we can withdraw this 1 also. And one more rule I am telling in this case, when you are withdrawing the 1 and writing the E and O together, so we can withdraw the first alphabet. Okay, so first alphabet with 1 is withdraw. Okay, and that is exact name is ethanol. Preference order used for lowest numbering rule is 2 degree fix, 1 degree fix, and 2 degree prefix. So this is the example. In this there is a 1 degree fix double bond, 2 degree prefix side substituents, and function group is 2 degree fix. So first of all, in the lowest numbering rule we have to give the preference of 2 degrees fix firstly, then 1 degree fix, then 2 degree prefix. As we have to see this one 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and if the position of OH is equivalent from both sides containing 2 OH group, then we have to give the preference of 1 degree fix if present in the chain, then the preference of 2 degree prefix will be come. Okay, so preference of this one and the numbering is correct one is 1 2 3 4 5 from right to left. In preference of double and triple bond presence with the equivalent lowest numbering, we give preference to the double bond first for numbering. So this is the lowest position of triple bond first, and this is the lowest position from left side of double bond first. So we give the preference of double and triple bond in the equivalent numbering of double bond as compared to triple bond. And if these are not equivalent and lowest one, we have to take in the numbering. For two or more than two similar side substituents, we use the word di, tri, tetra. This is an example. Here 3 or 4 methyl group are present, so we have to choose the word tetra, but position we have to take all with separation of comma, whether the position can be same. 2 2 3 3 3 5 tetra methyl hept is the word root and an is the simple. One more rule is I am telling in this one, so you have to choose the continuous chain. Continuous chain means you don't take the end of and add this carbon, because that carbon chain is including two carbon, so longest part is this one. Okay, not the longest part this one, and you are choosing the ethyl as a substituent, that will be incorrect. So this is a selection of chain. Okay, this is an important point. And writing of more than similar groups with the positions, and we use the word di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, like this one. So this is all about the naming, IUPAC naming. So I hope you will revise this content. Okay, is important. And one more, I am giving you one assignment that including all these rules. So try to solve this assignment. Okay, having 10 IUPAC naming, and in the next lecture I am going to send you the solution of this assignment. Till then, thanks, have a nice day.